Hello and welcome to CloudFolks Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. You are learning Elastic Container Service. In the Elastic Container Service, when we are creating service, we have so many options available, and now we are actually discussing about service auto scaling. In the previous video, I already explained you about differences between cluster auto scaling and service auto scaling. Now in this video, I'm going to explain you about how to configure service auto scaling while creating service. So let's start. Now before we are going to talk about how to set up service auto scaling, I want you to understand this particular point. First of all, service auto scaling is optional. If you are not going to enable this, that's completely okay. Another point that you need to understand that here we are setting up service auto scaling for scaling of our application. We are not setting up service auto scaling for high availability. Why? Because ECS is actually providing high availability without configuring service auto scaling. How? Let me show you. Look, we already discussed about desired task in previous video, right? So if I'm going to say over here that I want 4 tasks. Now in this case, ECS will maintain these 4 tasks in all the time. If any of my task goes down, it is going to recreate this task, right? So desired task itself is actually providing us high availability. It is going to maintain these numbers. Okay, so there is no need to worry about task failure. Now, question is, if desired task is maintaining this number, why we need service auto scaling? So let me explain you. See, if we are going to talk about desired task, it is going to maintain this constant number. It is going to maintain 4 tasks at all the time in my service. Now, problem is, I want these desired task numbers in dynamic. Let's say that I have more traffic coming to my website or my web application. Now to provide them faster experience, I want to increase number of tasks automatically. Then another reverse option as well, I have very low traffic on my application and I want to decrease this number because it is actually wasting my resources. Now if you want this desired task numbers dynamic according to the website traffic, you have to set up auto scaling, right? Once you set up auto scaling, ECS will decide these desired task numbers. If you have higher number of users, high traffic, it is going to increase these numbers. If there is a low traffic, it is going to decrease this number, right? So scaling is actually better option. Now, if you want to enable, you just need to click over here. It is going to start auto scaling process. Now, we have clear idea about how auto scaling works. It is going to increase and decrease number of tasks, but you have to set up limit. Let's say that I have 0 traffic. In this case, if ECS is going to remove all the tasks, then so here we are actually providing minimum number. Minimum number means I want at least minimum 2 tasks running at all time, even I have 0 traffic, right? Same way, I have to set up maximum numbers as well. Otherwise, if I have lots of traffic, ECS can run any number of tasks. In this case, I have to pay bills as well. So here I am going to say that, okay, in any case, do not cross this limit of maximum 20 tasks, right? So now, if I am going to get more traffic, ECS will increase number of tasks, but up to 20. If there is no traffic, it is going to decrease this, but minimum 2 tasks will be available. And this number will be dynamic now, right? Now, when you are going to increase number of tasks, we call it scale out. When we are going to decrease number of tasks, we call it scale in, right? Now we have this question. The question is, okay, we understood this entire process, but how ECS will find out traffic detail? How it is going to find out that now I have to increase number of tasks or now I have to decrease this number of tasks? Now this calculation is totally based on the...
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot. because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Attara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Attara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.